Have you ever looked at a new home and thought, there is no way that house is worth that much? Or maybe, why did this sell more than the list price? Well, friends, you're not alone. After all, a lot goes into pricing of a home, and even more goes into negotiating the final price. Now, part of that equation is market value. And in just a moment, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. But first, hey everyone, thanks for tuning into yet another 2-Minute Tuesday. If you get value from these quick real estate breakdowns, well, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is buying or selling a home. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Alex. Now, the purpose of these videos is simple: to help buyers and sellers understand how real estate decisions are actually made, so you can move forward with confidence instead of confusion. Now, as I mentioned a moment ago, today we're going to be breaking down a term that you hear all the time, but is often misunderstood, and that is market value. So what does market value really mean? Well, market value is what buyer is reasonably willing to pay and a seller is willing to accept given current market conditions. It's not emotional, it's not aspirational, and it's not based on what seller needs to get. Instead, it's based on real data and real behavior. Here's how market value is derived. First, we look at comparable sales, or comps. These are recently sold homes, not active listings. Now, that are similar in size, condition, location, and features. Sold homes matter because they reflect what buyers are actually willing to pay, or what they've paid rather, not what sellers hope to get. Second, timing matters. Market value is heavily influenced by supply and demand. In a competitive market with low inventory, well, buyers pay more, pushing market value higher. In a slower market, well, as you can probably guess here, buyers have leverage and buyer value softens. Third, condition and appeal play a big role. Two homes with the same floor plan can have way different market values based on all sorts of factors like whether updates have been done, the floor plan, the lot placement, the neighborhood amenities, friends, you name it. Unfortunately, not everyone is aware of what goes into determining market value. Part of the issue is that it's really easy to confuse market value with other real estate terms. For example, list prices is not market value. The list price is a marketing decision. Sellers can list high, low, or rate on target. A home priced below market value may spark multiple offers. One priced above market value may sit for a while and require price reductions. Now, another term often confused with market value is appraised value. But appraised value isn't always market value either. An appraisal is a lender's risk assessment based upon past data and conservative guidelines. In fast-moving markets, well, appraisals can lag behind what buyers are currently willing to pay. So unlike list price, which is what a seller might hope to get, an appraisal value, which is reflective of what lenders are comfortable with, market value lives at the intersection of data, timing, and buyer behavior. It's heavily data driven, but here's the insight most people miss. Market value isn't a fixed number. It's a moment in time. It can change from month to month or even week to week, depending upon interest rates, inventory, and buyer demand. That's why online estimates, list prices, and appraisal should be viewed as reference points, not final answers. So the real question is this: what are buyers willing to pay right now? If you're selling a home and buyers are lined up at the front door, your home market value is likely to go up. But conversely, if the market is sluggish and buyers are hard to come by, well, the market value is unfortunately probably going to go down. Now, at the end of the day, it's best to talk to your realtor about how market value applies to your specific situation. They're going to know much more about your local market too, and can provide you with sound advice so you need or what you need to move forward. All right, friends. Well, as for me, I hope this quick tutorial gives you the insights that you need. As always, thanks for watching 2-Minute Tuesday. Now, if this video helps clarify how market value works, consider liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone navigating the market. Look, that really helps us out, and we do appreciate it. So Thank you in advance. And lastly, if you happen to be in California looking to buy or sell or have questions on real estate in general, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is listed below. I'm a real estate agent right here in Orange County and would be happy to sit down and chat with you. But friends, with that said, I'm going to be wrapping up this video. I'm going to be shutting off the cameras and I will see you in the next video.